What? Yeah.
All right.
Grab an egg.
Put the egg.
Oh.
Wow, look at that.
That might nearly be enough, I think.
Oh, look, hey.
That's it. Good work, Ryan.
Tell you what.
Yep, you got a selection of mixes there.
I want this one.
Pick whichever one you're comfortable with. Get a whisk it, not slop it. Whisk. Goodness me. Careful, you're going to slop it out.
Only two.
Stick it in there. Good job.
Oh my God.
Is that one for Jack?
Yeah. Whoop.
Flip it. Keep flipping.
Hold on.
No. Finish cooking it. That's it. And flip that bit over. And then you can give that one to Jack. Go and grab his dog bowl. Here's Jack's dog bowl. You can just check it by lifting it a little bit.
What, like this?
Yeah. That's right. You setting up the table, Ray? Good job.